In this video you're gonna get to know how you can have a dual WhatsApp onto your Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's get into the process. Over here onto my phone I do have WhatsApp Business. I have WhatsApp Business onto my phone, as you see on your screen. So if I want to do a WhatsApp duo onto my phone, what I have to do is to get onto the Play Store. So let's go to the Play Store, and remember, over here onto my phone I do have WhatsApp Business. So what I'm gonna do is to go onto the Play Store and download WhatsApp, not WhatsApp Business. So you get onto your Play Store and then type in WhatsApp, as you see on your screen. So once you get over here, then tap install. By the way, onto some phones you can just clone the application and get a duo, but for some phones that don't have that feature, so this is the process to go. Once the application loads up very well, then tap open so that we can open the WhatsApp. Tap open. So once you get onto the WhatsApp, we have to register with another number. In this case, we'll be able to have a dual WhatsApp onto our phone. Remember, the other one it's business and this is WhatsApp. So in this case we can have a dual WhatsApp. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to get you next time.